Hi, my name is Anya, and I'm doing 3D coding at School of Code. The project I'm going to show you today is Snake Project. What happens is when you press play, is that so the snakes, you press your arrow keys and the snake starts moving. So the snake is the pink one, and then you're trying to get the food, which is like the blue one, the blue box. And if you bump in, this is how you lose the game. So if you bump into a wall, you just it just says game over. So basically that's how you play the game. Also, you put the score when you play the game, the score comes here. So if you like how much food you collected. I'm gonna talk about this piece of code. It basically means that when the snake collides with the food, you're basically making the food go to a different place in the borders. And then the next part of this code, which is these two blocks, is basically controlling the score. So whenever you touch the food, the score goes up by 1. That's all I want to show you. Thank you for listening.